Aina-chan. Good morning, everybody. Ay, good morning, everyone. Today, I am 9 months old. Yay! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aina-chan. Happy birthday to you. Yay! So, ayan guys, samahan niyo po kami for today. So, ayan guys, 9-month-old si Aina-chan for today. So, samahan niyo po kami for today's video. So, ayan, of course, ipipictorial ko siya, DIY pictorial. And, maghahanda kami ng simple for our lunch. So, ayan guys, preparing na po for the babies. Handa, ayan, our lunch. So, nagpapakulo na po ako ng pasta. And, ayan guys, holding hands pa po kami. Holding hands pa po habang ang mama ay nagluluto. Visit na bata. Gusto po laging ganyan. And ayan guys, nakapaghiwa na rin ako for my carbonara. Cheese, bacon, and garlic, and onion, and mushroom. Konti lang guys kasi for me lang. And ito yung sauce, ayan, ng carbonara. Pasta sauce carbonara. And meron din tayo ditong, ayan, this is tarako naman guys. Tarako pasta yan for Hiroyuki kasi hindi siya kumakain ng carbonara. And ayan guys, nag-aano po ako ng chicken dito. Nagma-marinate or karage, yan in Japanese. Ilagyan ko lang ng mayonnaise or mayonnaise and salt and pepper and garlic powder. Patulugin ko muna po itong si Batang Makulit bago po ipagpatuloy ang aking niluluto. At bago natin po siya i-picture taking para nasa mood po yung baby later. Nap-nap muna ang baby, nap-nap. So, ayan guys, finish na po akong mag-prepare ng aming handa. So, ayan guys, meron po tayo ditong karage or chicken, fried, ayan. At naglagay lang ako ng konting vegetables. So, it's cabbage and cucumber and yung tarako pasta, ayan. And our carbonara. And of course, the baby's cake. It's 9. So, ayan guys, dahil 9 months na siya. And sunflower theme for today. At gising na po ang baby from her nap. Ay na, Chang? Ay na, Chang? So, ayan guys, finish na po ang pag-aayos, ang pag-prepare with this baby. So, ayan guys, of course, yung cake natin, ayan, 9 because baby is 9 month. And, ayan guys, surrounded by sunflowers, wrapped in love. Ayan, because it's sunflower theme. Ayan. And the baby's dress. Ribbon. May pants pa yan. Pants or ano ba to? Panty. Sa Pilipinas, panty ang tawag dyan. Hoy? Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aina Chang. Happy birthday to you. Bumababa po. Bumababa po sa higaan. Para po sa dako. Hoy, hoy, hoy. Ay na, Chang. Uy, you're kissing Aina Chang? Ay, kiss-kiss mo si Aina Chang? So, ayan guys, that's it for today. Let's bye-bye, baby. So, yun lang po for today, guys. Hope you like our video. See you to our next vlog. Bye! Bye!